Yo guys, okay, I dropped the strategy a couple of times. This particular strategy I've dropped it a couple of times, but some people are complaining that I omitted some parts, so I'm going to update it right now. All right, this strategy helps in catching spikes, but right now I'm using it to scalp, get a couple of candlesticks while I wait for the market to get to my direction, so I can, or to get to my level of interest, so I can actually catch spikes. But for now, we can still make profit. As you can see, this is a real account. We don't joke around. All right, we make money every day. The VIPs are winning, and this is a strategy that we're using every single day, guys. All right, every single day we are making a lot of profit every day. I'm going to show you. All right, so this strategy is very powerful. I'll show you the update, the indicator settings, I mean. But let me just show you our free group where we make a lot of profit every single day, guys. Every single day. There's no day. This is the trade we are running on right now. You can see we are trading against spikes, and we're using this very powerful strategy, right? I'm going to show you how this strategy works to catch spikes. All right, this video is how to catch spikes. All right, and then again, to update the previous posts that I got to omit the indicator settings. I'm really sorry about that. You know, a lot of stuffs I had to come back to monitor the trades for the VIPs. You know, the theme is VIP winning, and we want to win every single day. All right, we want to win every single day, regardless of how much. You want to win big, want to win small, want to just keep winning. All right, so guys, feel free to join this platform. All right, it's very free. Join us for free. Be a part of what we are doing. I'm not showing you guys this because I want to show off. I'm showing you because I want to motivate you guys to know that a lot of money can be made from Forex trading, right? Don't let anybody tell you otherwise, okay? You see, we catch profit every day. We hit our TP almost every day. If we don't hit TP, we know when to close out a lot of profit, right? So join us for free. Be a part of what we have here. All right, we have a movement. VIP winning is a theme, and we won't stop till we win and keep winning. All right, so let's go back to here. You can see we are still running in profit, guys. We are still running in profit. All right, so I'm going to show you how this strategy works. It's very, very key that you know how it works for scalping and for spikes catching. All right, you're gonna have to catch a lot of spikes with this strategy if you understand the principles. Okay, so guys, okay, I don't know how much more this will go. I don't want to I should start closing some positions. Yeah, I should start closing some positions. I'll let this other two to run. All right, I don't want to stop making profit, guys. All right, I don't want to miss, so I had to close some positions because of you guys. I want to make this trade. I would have left that trade to run, but I want to make this video. I want to make sure I make you guys understand this powerful strategy. As you can see here, we have moving average on our main chart, and we also have it on the indicator window. All right, so how do you catch multiple spikes using this strategy? I'm going to show you. But first, I don't want to make the mistake again of omitting the important part, which is the indicator setting. So let's go straight to that first before anything else. All right, okay, so these are the indicators we are going to be using. These are very powerful combination, and trust me guys, it never goes wrong if you actually combine this with price action. Remember, price action is the key. I always say that. I know why I always emphasize this, because a lot of people, especially signal providers, they depend fully on indicators, which is a very wrong approach. All right, that's why a lot of people will come complaining that they've subscribed to many platforms and they keep blowing their accounts. This is because most of these guys don't even understand the principles, right? They don't know price action. They don't know that price action is actually the way forward. They feel like indicators alone can do it. Trust me, the more confirmations you have, the more confluence you have, the more chances of winning. All right, so imagine combining these powerful settings I'm going to show you now with price action. Price action is key, guys. If you don't know price action, it's very important that you know price action. I mentor people, I train people every month, and almost all of my students are making a lot of money for themselves right now on a professional level. So be a part of us. You can chat me up. I'll drop my WhatsApp number on the description of this video. I'll also drop our Telegram link, so join us for free. Join us, chat me up whenever you have challenges. I'll always be there to respond. All right. So yes, this is the first indicator we are going to be needing on our main chart, the first and only. So period 10 moving average, shift 0, method exponential, apply to close, styles 2 pixel. You can see I'm using black because my background is white. I want it to be visible on my screen. All right, you don't need levels for this. All right, so you just click done, and that's that. We are still in profit, guys. We are still in profit. We are still in profit. All right, so yeah, this is the next indicators you are going to need. You're going to have to add relative strength index to your charts. If you don't have an indicator with the one on your chart, don't worry, just click on the main chart and add relative strength index. It's going to automatically create an indicator window for you. These are the settings. Period 14, apply to close, styles 3 pixel. My background is white this time around because I'm using white background. Yeah, the color is white though because I'm using white background. The levels are 10 and 90. 10 and 90. All right. The 10 area is where you buy from, and the sell area, the 90 area is where you sell from. Okay. So you are done with that. You just simply click done and go on to the next one. We are still in profit, guys. You can see that. A lot of profit, guys. All right. So we move on to the next one. The envelopes, these are the settings. Period 70, shift 0, method, deviation is 0.9. Method is simple. Apply to close. Styles, the upper band is 2 pixels, the lower band is 3 pixels. You can decide to make it whatever you want, but just make sure that you are using colors that you understand. Like the red color here represents the sell area, while the green color represents the buy area. Okay, you don't need levels for this, so you just simply click done and move on to the next indicator, which is the moving average. All right. Period 10, shift 0, method exponential, apply to close, styles 2 pixel. Levels are not needed, so you just click done. I believe I have shown you guys all of the indicators, all of the settings for the indicators, because I'm not going to be talking about this strategy anymore. I have talked about this strategy over time, and I'm still using it right now, and it's still very good for me. It's working for me, and the VIPs, we are making a lot of profit. That was a small spike there, but that doesn't really bother me because it's very small. It's still going to be in profit, guys. Let's see how much that's reduced. A little. All right. So yeah, price action will let you know the market direction. It will let you know the market direction, right? To let you know the areas of reversal, your support and your resistance. And why I entered this trade to scalp is because price was at support, at a major support on the higher time frame. Right, price was at the major support on the higher time frame. So I'm waiting for price to leave that support area to resistance where I'm going to be catching spikes. Okay, I want to be catching spikes, so I'll wait for price to go to resistance. But while it goes to resistance, we are making profit, guys. We are making profit. Myself and the VIPs, we are winning. We are winning, guys. So yeah. On your higher time frame, this is for price action. On your higher time frame, you need to be able to identify the market direction. Like I said, if you see series of higher highs and higher lows and higher highs and higher lows, that's an uptrend. If you see the opposite, series of lower highs and lower lows and lower highs and lower lows, that's a downtrend. And for crash 500, if you want to be catching spikes, you need the market to be in a downtrend. You need price to be at your resistance so you can sell. You want to sell to catch spikes. You don't want to buy, you want to sell to catch spikes. I'm buying now because price was at support and it was going to major resistance, which I know I can actually make some profit from. That's why we are here. All right, so you want to see price at your major resistance for crash. You want to be selling, you want to see price doing the lower lows and lower highs and all of that, so that you can know it is in a downtrend proper. And all of this has to be done on the higher time frame, like the daily time frame and the 4 hours time frame. All right, so for you to catch spikes, this is it. You have identified your market direction on the higher time frame. You have been able to identify your areas of interest, your support and your resistance. that is done using horizontal lines, trend lines, or moving average, or Fibonacci levels. I don't know which you are conversant with, but I use horizontal lines most times, and I also use Fibonacci levels most times. I use moving average sometimes. All right, so you can just choose the one that works for you and try to understand how to use them. It's important. Understand how to use them. All right. Then you see, you want to catch spikes. This is it. Allow your indicators to come to the area here, the 90 area here. Remember I said the red area is where you sell from, and like as you can see here, there was a spike here. There was a very long spike, and this other area is where you buy from. You want to be catching spikes. This is for boom. You want to catch spikes. You need to be trading boom to catch spikes. On boom, you want to be buying boom, but to catch spikes on crash, you want to be selling. So you want to wait for price to come to this area so you can sell. Like as you've seen this spike here, you see this spike here. I can show you more examples where your indicator, the moving average here. Sorry, I'm not feeling too well. The moving average here came to this area and there was multiple spikes. You can see that multiple spikes, guys, multiple spikes. All right. Let me see what we have here. Okay, I need to close out because I don't want to be caught without profit, guys. So you can see you want to catch spikes. You allow your indicators, your moving average on the indicator window to come to this area, your sell area. Remember you have to sell crash when the market is in a downtrend on the higher time frame. When your price is at your resistance on the higher time frame, you want to come to your lower time frame to observe this and see when price is at this area. Then you'll be catching spikes. You can see all of these spikes. You can see, all right, it keeps working and it keeps working. All right, but in the case where you open your crash market and then you see that the market on the higher time frame is showing you higher highs and higher lows and higher highs instead of lower highs and lower lows, right? You know that the market direction is in an uptrend and you don't want to be selling when the market direction is in an uptrend. You want to be buying. All right, that's what I did right now. I noticed that the market was going to be going upwards, right? That's why I'm buying. And at that point, you want to see this indicator on the lower time frame. You want to see it at this area. All right, once it comes to this green area, that's where you see these plenty candlesticks. And trust me, guys, this can give a lot of profit. This will give you a lot of profit, guys. This strategy has made me $1,000 in a day. That's made me more. That's made me $500. That's made me a lot of this particular strategy, guys. It works perfectly almost every time. So you don't want to misunderstand anything. So I urge you to watch this video. Make sure you understand everything I have just explained. Watch it over and over again. Be conversant with everything I said. Try to understand how it works and apply them only when you are apply them on your live account only when you are conversant, guys. Only when you are comfortable with this strategy, guys. All right, it's very powerful. On the main chart, this is another confirmation I want to show you guys. On the main chart, you can see the moving average. You can see what happens when price comes here. You can see there was a spike. It came to my moving average and it continued backwards. All right, so look at this. When you see price come to your moving average here, it will definitely, if it comes from above and touches your moving average, it definitely keep going upwards. All right, but if it comes from below, let me show you here. This is it. If it comes from below and touches your moving average, like here, you see this particular place, it touches your moving average from below. Trust me, guys, it's going to spike. All right, let me show you another example. This is another example. Price comes from below, forms all the candles, all the small candles, and then touches the moving average, and there was a spike. All right, even if it crosses a bit, right? If it comes from below and crosses a bit, there still has to be a spike, guys. All right, but this is the forex market. Everything is probability, but with all these confirmations, trust me, you have 90% chances of winning. All right, so make sure you follow this up. Subscribe to my channel if you have not done that before. Drop good reviews. Make sure you drop good reviews, guys. Please drop good reviews. It's very important. All right, I'll see you guys on the next. I'm working on a new and more powerful strategy. I'm going to update you guys soon as I have Soon as I've tested and trusted it, I'm already reviewing it. Soon as I trust it, I'll update you guys. All right, but before then, practice this and make sure it works for you guys. Trust me, guys, 90% chance of winning if you understand the strategy, guys. All right, peace. I believe I have corrected the error on the previous post. All right, I've shown you guys the settings for the moving average, the envelopes, the RSI, the moving average on the main chart, the envelope on the indicator window, the moving average on the indicator window. Yeah, I have shown you all of that. So please watch this video to the end before you come to tell me I have not shown you everything, guys. Trust me, guys, this is very powerful. Make sure you win. VIP winning every day. Join us. It's very affordable. You can join my VIP if you don't have the time to learn this. You can join my mentorship if you have the time to learn. Trust me, that will be the best decision ever, and it's very affordable because I want to carry everybody along. All right, guys, see you in another video.